What is up, guys? It is Blob here. In today's video, I'm bringing you a bike check. And yeah, just one thing I want to say before this video starts. My neighbors have chickens, so if you hear any chickens or some sort of sound that sounds like a chicken, I'm sorry. But yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's start here from the back. We got ODS Hawk tires, Colt rims, Colt chain, a 28 tooth ring in the front, and I think 8 or 9 teeth in the back. I have Colt pedals, Colt seat. I have a Colt frame. Get focus on that. And a lock. It's good to have. Same thing in the front. It's the front tire. ODS Hawk tires. Fork Colt. Pretty sure it is called a clamp. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry. Colt. Grips. Colt. I forget what these are called, but they're metal, and some other ones come in rubber, but I got metal. Yeah. Handlebars are Colt. And yeah. So most of the gear, as you can tell, is Colt. Is more of like a navy green, like the frame. I'm gonna give you like a nice 360 view of it. Yeah, and I'm gonna like move the pedals so you guys can hear the clicking sound and the clicking sounds. I guess you can call it, sorry. And yeah. So I put this down. But yeah, guys, that is it. But overall, it is a very good bike. I'll be doing a review on it in the future. But yeah, hope you guys like the video. If you do, leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.